This is QuickTime Technology, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to download Firefox on your Mac computer. So without further ado, let us start the video. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is go to your dock, then go to Safari, the built-in web browser, and now go and type Firefox download and click the first link and then click on free download. Then it says thanks for choosing Firefox, it should download. So now go to your dock, go to downloads, click on Firefox, the DMG file, let that extract. And now drag the application into the folder, copying Firefox to applications, and then go to your launchpad and now click on Firefox. It says Firefox app is an application downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Absolutely, yes, open. Don't import anything at the moment. Go to continue. And there we go. We have downloaded Firefox for the Mac computer. Okay. Close this, and Command E to eject the file. That has now been ejected. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for now.